welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing today, right over here, and we're gonna open her up. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before, before, and you would like to, I have a referral link down below, $25 towards your first fix. I would get $25 too. And there's a description below. They send you 5 items. You keep what you want to keep. You send back what you want to send back. Your $20 styling fee goes towards what you keep from that box. So yeah, it's all down below. You guys get it. Here we go. Oh, sorry. We have our trusty rusty screwdriver. Here it is. And we're gonna open her up. This is how I don't lose. Sorry, I'm a little verklempt. I just hit a wine glass. We're drinking iced coffee this morning, and I've recently been using oat milk or oat creamer from Silk. It tastes really good. I don't know. I just kind of really like it. There's the mailer to send back what you don't want to keep. And let's see if we have, was it Sailor last time? Sawyer? I can't remember. Let's see if we have her again. They send you the invoice of the prices of everything. We'll go over prices at the end. If this is your first time here, hello. And they send you the sale note. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. It is Sailor. Okay. Hi, Rachel. Happy Fix Day. I am so excited to be styling your 75th fix today. Thank you so much for the feedback from your fix preview. I know you have to keep telling us no shoes. Yeah, and the fix preview does not seem to be catching that bit. Haha. Haha. I was sure not to include any and really focused on tops. I love tops. I know you guys know this. I know some of you are like, oh, you always just get tops. I love tops. It's my addiction, I guess. The West Key blouse is super fun and can easily be dressed up or down, so I'm sure you will be able to get good use out of it. Plus, not many closets have a lot of orange in them, so I was excited to add it for you. Yeah, I only have like maybe 2 orange things, and I like orange. I do really like the Market and Spruce cardigan you picked from your fix preview. I did pick a cardigan. Layer this cardigan on top of the Threads for Thought tee for a cool monochromatic look. Let me know what you think. Cheers, Sailor. Thank you, Sailor. I'm excited to have you again because I like to, you know, I like to get a vibe going, as the youth would say. Here we go. Okay. Here is, which one is prettier? Here's our bundle. Look, she's kind of springy. I think it's probably going to be March when I post this, maybe. So I'm hoping for some springiness. But looks really cute. Let's see. There's 5 things in there. This is just kind of buried under that red one. All right, let's rip it open. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. I really need to break down boxes today. Sorry. I really need to break down boxes today. But I also need to go get chicken feed today, so I don't know what I'll do first. If you guys didn't know, because I haven't talked about them in a while, I have 11 chickens. I used to have 16 chickens, but, you know, they went to another farm. We don't eat them. They're egg layers, but, you know, sickness and predators and things. You get it. Anyway, here's our first one. It is the West Key Talina tie front blouse in orange. Now, I would call this red, but that's okay. It has like some yellows and blues and whites in there and black. I think that's really cute. And there's the tie. Yep, and it has buttons. Are they real buttons? Yes, they are, but this is more kind of like a drapey material, so I'm hoping it's not going to pull too much. I think that's really cute. I'm starting to think my husband and I are going to Jamaica in a couple months, and I'm really excited about it. So I'm starting to think maybe I should start asking for like kind of some clothes for that, but is it too early? I don't know. We'll see. Here is the Threads for Thought Mila Crop Pocket Long Sleeve Burgundy. So it's cropped, has a pocket, hence the name Crop Pocket. Crop Pocket. Sorry. It's fine. I've had coffee. It's a really pretty color. I like that color a lot, actually. It's threads for thought though, and I think they're a little bit more pricey, but we'll see. This is the Market & Spruce Zanzia Curved Hem French Terry Knit Top in dark gray, size XL. And I do have a Zanzia top from Market & Spruce. I think it's like black and white, and then the one I have has flannel, like elbow, I can't talk, I was gonna say elbow sleeves. Flannel, elbow patches. But I do really like gray. I like gray a lot. I think if I do like this enough though, I'll probably size down to a large maybe, because the one I have is extra large and it's a little big. So, but I love these ones for leggings. Sorry, my nose is itchy. And then this one is really pretty, really pretty. And it is the Market & Spruce Riviera Cable Knit Dolman Pullover and Mustard. It's not too dolman-y looking, so, but look how pretty that is. It has like different kind of pattern, not pattern, but I can't talk today. You guys get it. Different kind of like knit on the side there. Ah! So, you know, on camera it looks really orange, but it is pretty yellow. I really like that. Market & Spruce. I love Market & Spruce. And then we have Market & Spruce, the Heather Brush Waffle Cardigan in dark pink. This is for sure purple. Some of their labels, you know, they're not the color they say they are. This is for sure purple. It's like a lavendery, mauve, dark, dusty, not dark, but you get it. You get it, you know? Purple, it's purple. Okay, let's try everything on. First up, we have the cardigan. I just threw it on over what I was wearing. This shirt is actually from Stitch Fix as well. And I have this shirt in another color that's like a white and purple that would go really good with this. But I thought it was kind of like a springy look. Look how cute that is. I like the waffle knit. And it has pockets. So I really like it. I don't have a lot of cardigans that I wear lately, and I think this is pretty neutral. I think it's cute. It's really soft too. Market & Spruce, you know? Just Market & Spruce. Here's the threads for thought. Crop pocket. Crop pocket top. I think it's a really nice length. When I wear like my sweatpants, my joggers and stuff, this is kind of the length I want my shirts. So I think it would be good with that. It also looks good with jeans. I think it's nice. The pocket's a little kind of more over here. You know, I don't understand pockets on t-shirts, especially in this area. I mean, back in the day, you know, people put their smokes in there, but not many people do that. Well, I guess a lot of people do that still, but I don't know. She wanted me to put it on with this for that monochromatic kind of look. That looks cute too. There's a mirror over here. Yeah, that's cute too. And then it kind of covers up the pocket, but not the crop pocket. Okay, let's do more. Market & Spruce Zanzia knit top. It's really cute. See, this is why I like these ones. It has a nice like curve up here, and then it goes really low in the back, so it's like perfect for leggings. And even in the front, it's perfect for leggings. This is a size XL. If I were to keep this and wear it with leggings, I think it'd be perfect. However, I'm not wearing a lot of like long tops lately. I am preferring a little bit shorter to kind of emphasize the waist and make my legs look longer because my legs are short, I feel like. So it's really cute though. I like the dark gray stripe. I think that's nice. Yeah, let's do more. Okay, I know I just said I like my tops to be a little shorter like this, but this is really cute. It's really cute. And I don't have a lot of things in this color. And I think it's nice. I might, if they have it sized down to a large, just because like, it's kind of a little bit too big, I feel like, in the shoulder area. It is a dolman, but it's like a slight dolman. I think this is really cute. And this, I think this is my favorite thing so far, maybe? Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe? I really like the color. And it's really soft. Here's the back. don't have a lot of things this color. I think it's nice. All right, last one. All right, here's the last one. That was orange, but it's red. It's fine. I think it's cute. It is doing, you know, the little thing right there. So if I did keep this, I would probably just try to put a stitch right there, because I would never wear it unbuttoned. I think it's fine. It's not my favorite. I'm not a really big fan of like the roll tab sleeves like that, because then they just drape weird. Not a fan. Not a fan of that type of sleeve, but the rest of it's pretty cute. It's really lightweight. I think it'd be nice for spring, but it is doing the gaping like that. So it's gonna be a no. But I like the pattern. I think it's really kind of cute and groovy. Groovy, baby. Okay, let's go over prices. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. If I've had lipstick on my teeth this whole time, I mean, just ignore it. One of my other videos, I had it on there the whole time. Thumbnail, picture, and everything. Alright, the West Key Selena tie front blouse in orange, but it's really red. Size XL, $44. The Market & Spruce Zanzia curved hem, French terry knit, blah blah blah, dark gray, $58. The Market & Spruce Riviera cable knit dolman in mustard, $58. The Market & Spruce Heather Brush Waffle knit cardigan in dark pink, $46. Oh, and a Threads for Thought Mila crop pocket long sleeve t-shirt, burgundy, XL, $38. So I thought Threads for Thought was more expensive than that, but I mean, maybe for a t-shirt it's expensive. I don't know. So $244. If you keep everything, you get 25% off your box. So $61 off of that makes it $183. And then I do have some gift card money left over from Christmas. So the whole box would be $134.76 out of pocket. I don't like the red shirt, so it's not worth it. Right? Yeah, no, it's not worth it. Well, I liked it. It just doesn't like me with, you know, the buttons and whatnot. So I don't know what I'm going to keep. I like the yellow one, but I would want it, I think, in a large. Same thing with the Zanzia. Sounds like a wine or something. That's Franzia. I like the cardigan. I like the Threads for Thought burgundy shirt. I have some thinking to do. So yeah. Hey. If you guys want to try Stitch Fix, again, my referral link's down below to get $25 towards your first box. Yeah. So, you know, just if you want to try it. I love Stitch Fix. And I think Sailor, right? Sailor? Right? Sawyer? Sailor? I think Sailor's doing a great job so far. This is her second box with me. So good job, Sailor. Thank you so much. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you next time.